In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed an Excel document within a Confluence page. By the end of this video, you'll know how to display your spreadsheet directly inside a page so your team can easily view important data without downloading the file. First, open the Confluence page where you want to embed the Excel document and click Edit. Place your cursor where you'd like the spreadsheet to appear. Upload your Excel file by dragging and dropping it onto the page, or type Files and select Files and Images to attach the spreadsheet. Wait for the upload to finish before continuing. Next, type Office Excel in the editor and select the Office Excel macro if it's available in your Confluence instance. When prompted, choose the Excel file you just uploaded from the list of page attachments. Configure the display settings by selecting the worksheet you want to show, adjusting the visible rows and columns if needed, and choosing whether to display the spreadsheet inline or as a preview card. Once you're happy with the settings, click Insert. Finally, click Publish or Update to save your page. Your Excel document will now be embedded directly within the Confluence page, allowing team members to view the spreadsheet without leaving Confluence. That's how to embed an Excel document within a page in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.